here's our sixth way to get paid, and it's our quarterly bonus pool. This is pretty cool because you'll have the ability to get paid on travel that you didn't even book. Now, remember when I spoke about the referred group travel, whereas if you refer travel, you'll get 80% of the commissions. Well, the 20% that's left goes into what we call a quarterly bonus pool, and you can earn depending upon your rank. So let's take a look here. You can see where it says ambassadors. Ambassadors are able to receive 25% of the quarterly bonus pool. So if you are an ambassador, you get to share in that pool of money. Now let's take a look at Sapphire. So Sapphire, as you can see, get to earn up to 15% of that pool. But because you're Sapphire, not only do you get a piece of the Sapphire pool, but you also get a piece of the ambassador pool. So this is the sixth way you can get paid, which is the quarterly bonus pool.